gonna be putting CarPlay inside my car today because when we swapped my engine, all my lights came back, everything was working. My radio turns on, but I have no sound. I'm tired of riding with a little Bluetooth speaker in my car. So I bought me a good little radio. AX3200 or XAV AX3200 to replace whatever I got going on in here. Nothing. A little JBL speaker, bro. Tired of that. I can't even see myself. Bro, the car is so cold, bro. Like, oh my goodness. I parked it outside. I had ice on top of the car this morning. Hold on. I need to invest. Thought I heard something. I need to invest in another tripod, bro. Okay, so right now it's a mess, but this is what I got going. Old radio, got all the stuff disconnected from it. Over there, new radio, new harness that I got from Crutchfield. I capped this one off. Don't know what this is or how to use it, so I gotta figure that out. Now I just gotta put this back in the car, and I think we should be good. I think that's it. On the phone with that boy Clive. Alright, back in the car after I was just running around my house trying to find a damn screw for my emergency light. Found one. Now I got everything situated. Got that wire hooked up. Nah, I can't. I really can't. I can't put the thing in like that. Alright, first test. Fingers crossed, cause I don't know what I was doing, bro. Oh shit, it turned on. There's no sound again. Alright, it look crazy right now, but I just got off the phone with the guy from Crutchfield. We were talking over it. Blown 20 amp under. I didn't even need a new radio, but I wanted one, so I found an excuse to buy one. But look at me, hold on, check me, y'all. Hold on. Where my remote go? Yeah! Nice, man, like, bro. Good little screen, sound good. Everything looking good. Exhaust on me. Wings still unpainted. That's another video that I recorded that I still gotta finish. It just got so cold and I got so busy, bro. But she look good. I love this car. I love this car. Jordan, you did such a good job with fixing this car, bro. Like, shout out to you, bro. And I look like Michael Jackson. I'm just yapping. Let me finish tidying up the radio. I'll show y'all what it looked like when I'm done. And then, yeah, I guess that's it. I'll wrap it up. What's up, guys? It's a different day. I'm in Atlanta right now. But, I forgot to show you guys what the screen looked like. So I'm about to show y'all that. Because, like, what's an install video if I don't show y'all what I installed? Am I right? But, damn. Look. Like, it look good, bro. Everything look good. It look well in here. I like the way it looks in here. Like, it sits flush. It doesn't look out of place. Like, it's good. God, I need a shift boot. But it looks good. Diamond backs up here. All this. You know, anything. Pretty good, though. I really do love this screen. I like that I went wireless instead of the wire. So the response is a little bit faster and I don't have to pay as much. So, and my phone gets to stay charged. Because I always don't charge my phone. So, plus for me. But, yeah, that's it for this video. All these people coming to their car. Huh. But, yeah. I'll see y'all in the next one, I guess. Oh, look at the sunset.